It's okay. It's okay.
No.
It's okay.
No. Sit down.
I'm not a rabbi. I'm not a rabbi.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app. Oh shoot, where'd he go? Okay, let's go this way.
There's Tilton in his cage.
Oh, really?
Daddy. But
I just can't get down there. That's all. I know. Aww.
Careful, bud.
Small ones in here.
Let's see, Elliot. What is that? Sorry?
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. Here we go. Let's walk over this way, bud. Oh, easy. Got it. Are you doing okay? Okay, come here. Come here this way.
This one's me, Daddy.
Oh my goodness.
Does he want? No.
Hope he loves you. Uh-oh, down, buddy. Down. Down.
No.
He loves you.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Careful, bub. Careful. It's okay. It's okay.
No.
It's okay.
No. Sit down.
I'm not a rabbi. I'm not a rabbi. No.
Sorry.
I don't think he thinks you're a bad guy.
Wants to play with you.
I think he likes you because you're little.
He's over here.
No, don't call him over. The stuff with no prices, do we just talk at the end to the...
Yeah, just make a big pile outside and then she'll price it at the end.
Okay, awesome, thank you. That puppy loved you, didn't he? You hungry?
No. Not this way, Daddy.
Hold on, this way first.
Okay.
Oh,
We want to buy that toy.
what is it?
A tractor toy.
A tractor toy?
Blows bubbles out of it.
I didn't see it. I'll look in a second, okay? Okay.
But I'm really trying to buy it.
You do?
You buy this, Daddy, instead?
Well, no, you have a flashlight like that. Do you like the pumpkin one? Huh?
But this
Here.
doesn't have a button.
Here, let's walk this way. Excuse us. This way?
Yeah.
Oh, be careful. Okay, this way.
Okay.
Oh, give me your hand.
There was a big
Doing okay?
ladder, Daddy.
There's a big ladder. Yeah, do you see something?
Yeah.
What is it? What? Let's see. There's a yoga mat, Elliot. You want that?
Where is it?
Oh, just kidding. You don't play yoga. Or you don't do yoga. Okay, let's go this way.
Like this for me?
Maybe. Yeah. You gonna carry it?
A flying thing, Daddy.
Can you carry it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But Mommy will say, wow!
She'll be like, oh my gosh. Won't she?
Yeah.
She'll be like, oh my gosh, Elliot, where'd you get that?
Out of that box.
There's a mail truck, Elliot. That's neat, huh? Careful, it's very heavy. Careful. Okay. You got it? Let's go this way.
Where's this thing, Daddy?
Here, walk with me this way.
Can I try this, Daddy?
What is it? Here, Elliot, come here.
How about this, Tim?
Can we try it right now?
Let's go see over here real quick, okay?
Yeah. Very much.
Who do I talk to about pricing?
I can do it.
Okay.
Set it up here and I'll price it out for you.
Hold on, buddy.
$42 is your total.
42?
Yes, sir.
That sounds good.
And you can pay Miss Shannon at the end.
Okay.
There's your ticket.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Then you ask.
And this is all for sale too, right?
That's all for sale, yes.
Okay.
On the table.
Then you ask.
How much is that ride-on scooter in there? How much would you be asking for that? That little spaceship-looking scooter. Like, well, yeah, that thing.
I would do 5.
5. Okay. Okay, we'll buy it.
Yay. How
Okay.
can you not after that?
I know.
I wanted it.
In hindsight.
We're gonna take it home for you, okay, buddy?
I saw that.
How much would the watch be?
$2.
2. Okay. Thank you.
Yep, you can pay her and
Okay.
she'll get you taken care of.
Thank you.
47 for you.
47, and then she said 2 on this, so 49.
Okay, sounds good. Is that going to be cash or credit?
Cash. You have change?
I do.
Thank you.
Let everything blow away on me here, sorry.
There we go. Thank you.
Sonny, no.
It's your little buddy.
Do you like the kisses? I'm sorry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, y'all have a great day.
You too.
All right, buddy, come on. All right, so we're back at home. That was a pretty crowded house. It was like the whole house, everything in it was for sale. Everything in the garage, everything in the yard. And we didn't have a lot of time, and it was crowded, and it was hot, and it was loud. I still think we picked up a few decent things to resell. And rather than take everything inside like I normally do and spread it out, I figured I would just show you right here in the trunk before I take it in. So real quick, check out what we bought to resell. I paid $49, and I think Elliot here, I think about 8 of that was for his toys, so we'll call it like $40, $41, something like that. Picked up this vintage thermos, a little cool date cooler. Needs a little cleaning, but I figure that's probably good for about 20 bucks or so, 20, 25 bucks. Picked up a couple cameras. This one I probably should have left behind. It's a Polaroid Captiva SLR. They probably charged me $5 for it, and it's probably worth 10 minus fees. And I'll hush it up. Hush it up. Yeah, it's probably worth about 10 minus fees, so probably should have left that one behind. Picked up another Polaroid. This is a Spectra Pro right here. This one can actually be pretty decent. Actually fires right up and everything, and it's in really good shape. Not sure exactly what the going rate right now is, but I think these are normally a little bit better than your standard like 1-steps and all those. Picked up a boxed Texas Instruments TI-82. Not a calculator I normally pick up. These TI-82s don't do very well. I got this one because I've never seen a boxed one. I don't necessarily think it's new, but the box is in really good shape. So we'll see if that helps me sell this for any more than the probably $5 I paid for it. I'm guessing probably somewhere in the $15 to $25 range, honestly. Picked up a Micro Innovations PS2 mouse. I kind of bought it because I just grabbed it and thought it was new, but I realize now it's been taken out of the package before. So this might be a $5 or $10 mouse. This is probably the other thing I wouldn't necessarily pick up again. Yep. Crazy. Got a Pure Ultimate water filtration system faucet thing. Brand new in the package. I think these are good for between 20 and 30 bucks a piece, so that's okay. A brand new Wet Tunes shower radio. I've done pretty well in the past on, and this one's brand new, so that's pretty cool. I'm guessing probably 25, 35 bucks on this.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, buddy. This is a Tiger Electronics Lights Out. I think it's from 1995. These are usually good for about 15 bucks on eBay, but I normally get about 30, 35 bucks for these on Amazon, so that's normally where I choose to sell these. At the very end, I found another Swatch watch. I feel like swatches are following me around now. This is a Coca-Cola Swatch. The last Swatch buy I did had a Coca-Cola Swatch in it too. Need to replace the battery clip.
Daddy.
Oh my gosh. But once I replace the battery and the battery clip for a couple bucks, I may even have some spare battery clips in there. Should probably be able to get about between 15 and 30 bucks for this. I think they charged me $2 for this one. The last thing I picked up is probably my favorite buy. I'm not exactly sure how much it's worth, but it's actually on my bucket list. Every reseller has a bucket list of items they want to find in the wild, and this is one of my items. And it is a Zach Morris phone, an old Motorola brick phone. Definitely look out for these, and if they're cheap enough, pick them up, because some of these can be worth hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars. It doesn't even necessarily matter if they work or not. I think they're just more of artifacts at this point. But this one is a Meteor by Motorola. The antenna needs replaced. You'll see that a lot. No accessories, no power cord, no idea if it works. It'll be sold for parts. Sold history is a little spotty on this model right here, but honestly, if I can't get 50 for it, it'll just go up on my collectible shelf, because like I said, it's a bucket list item, and I'm super glad I found this Saved by the Bell style, Zach Morris style brick Motorola phone. That is pretty awesome. So that's everything we picked up. Probably could have found a lot more if we would have taken our time, but it was just a quick walkthrough, and this is what we ended up with. Should definitely be able to make some money on it. So as always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.